Now let us see what are the various excretory organs in different organisms. In invertebrates, the excretory organs, they are mainly tubular structures which are simple. That is, simple tubular structures are they act as excretory organs in invertebrates, whereas in vertebrates the excretory organs, they consist of complex tube-like organs. In platyhelminthes, which are also known as flatworms, for example, planaria, rotifers, annelida and cephalochordates. Means in platyhelminthes, rotifers, annelids and cephalochordates, excretory organs are known as protonephridia or flame cells, and these help to maintain ionic and fluid balance. In annelids like earthworms, excretory organs are called nephridia, which maintain fluid and ion balance in the body. In insects, the excretory organs are Malpighian tubules, whereas in prawn, which is a crustacean, the excretory organs are known as antennal glands or the green glands. Now, we know that human excretory system, it consists of a pair of kidneys, a pair of ureters, a pair of ureters which open into urinary bladder. At the top of the kidney are present adrenal glands, and the blood vessels which supply oxygenated blood to the kidney, they are called renal artery, and blood vessel which takes away deoxygenated blood from the kidney, it is called renal vein. Now kidneys, they are located between the, say this is the backbone, this is the back wall of the body, and this is the backbone. In the backbone, first is backbone starts from the neck region, say this is the neck region, then there is thorax region, after thorax there is abdominal region, and after abdomen there is hip region or the pelvic region, and then there is the tail region, that is the coccyx region. The kidneys, they lie between the last thoracic and the third lumbar. Abdominal is lumbar. लास्ट thoracic वर्टिब्रा से शुरू होके थर्ड लंबर वर्टिब्रा के दोनों तरफ, जो पीछे हमारी बैक वॉल डॉर्सल बॉडी वॉल में के साथ लोकेटेड है बैकबोन, और द किडनीज, दे आर फिक्स्ड इन द डॉर्सल बॉडी वॉल एंड दे लाई वन ऑन आइदर साइड ऑफ द बैकबोन. कौन से रीजन में? लास्ट thoracic एंड फर्स्ट थर्ड lumbar vertebra. Each kidney, it is 10 to 12 centimeter in length, and it is 2 to 3 centimeter in thickness and 5 to 7 centimeter wide. Kidneys are 10 to 12 centimeters long, 5 to 7 centimeter wide and 2 to 3 centimeter thick, and average weight of a kidney is 120 to 170 gram. We can see at the center it has a notch, this notch or a depression, and this point is called hilum. From this hilum arises ureter, and into this hilum enters and leave the renal artery and the renal vein. Now let us see the LS of kidney or longitudinal section of kidney.